Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So today, I know you've already seen it in the title, how we turn a twist, a fuller twist, and then turn it into a dreadlock, temporary dreadlock. So if you haven't seen the first video, I'll be dropping the link in the course of the video. Please go back and watch it so that you learn how to make twist on your own hair. Then you would know how to turn that into a fuller twist in this tutorial. So let's get right into the tutorial. So if you notice here, I started to braid the root of the hair before I twisted the end. So that's the roots we are going to work with. So now here you're getting your hair extension. I'm using expression here. This is not sponsored, by the way. And then you'll need your crochet pin, a large crochet pin. So the first thing you want to do is remove one of the bundles like so. I folded it into 4, then I later realized it was actually too long. But let's just get on with it. So after you folded it into 3, you want to split that up with your scissors. You want to take one out of the 3, and then you also want to split that up. Also, you just want to take out little by little depending on the size of your hair and the length of your hair. So with your crochet pin, you want to open that mouth first and then put it in. Remember I said the braided part of your hair, that's why I said you'll be working with the roots, and then put in your hair extension, which is kinky, by the way, specifically kinky. Put your hair cream or your hair deep leave-in conditioner on your hand, and then start to wrap, or should I say start to wrap it in between your palms, just like that. Roll. After you've done like a loose, don't worry, I'll be repeating that again so you will see and understand properly. And then we go again, your kinky, just your hair extension. Open your crochet pin, put it into that braided part of your hair like so. And then put it, hook it, close it, bring it out. So yeah, I didn't tie it at the roots, just leave it like that. Then start to do a very loose twist, very loose, just like that. Put your hair cream or your leave-in conditioner, and then start to wrap it in between your palms like that. And then yes, it comes out like this. Make sure you do it well so it comes out really nice. And there you go. Doing it again, your hair extension, your crochet pin, the braided part of your hair, put it in like that, close it, take it out, do not tie it, just do a loose twist like that. Put in your hair conditioner, hair cream, whatever one it is, and then start to wrap it in between your palms, just like that. Roll, or should I say wrap. And there you have it. And if you notice it's probably long, you can trim them to the length of your hair. So I'll be doing that now with my scissors, like so, just like that. And oh my, you can see how full the hair is now. It's basically full, and it looks really nice, really nice. Like I said, if you want to know how I achieve the twist on my hair, please, I'll be dropping the link at the end of the video, at the end of this video, and then also in the course of the video, so you could see it, and then you come back to this one and watch it so you understand better. And here is the beautiful results. So what do you think about this? Will you try it out? You think it's nice? And here, this is about 3 weeks after, starting to look like dreads. So do you think it's nice? Do you think it's given? If you do, please drop a comment section in the comments section. Drop a comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye.